This is TomsAviation, and we're going to experience iFLY over there. So let's go. We have arrived at iFLY. Let's go see what it's all about. So tell me a little bit more about the check-in process.
So our tunnel is about 14 feet in diameter. It goes up about 50 feet all the way. First time here, we're going to be teaching the body position.
Now I'm ready to jump into my jumpsuit. Got my hair braided.
Big smile at the camera. So this right here is our driver's booth. This is where we're actually controlling the wind speed. We're also going to be controlling the camera. There you go, there you go, there you go.
Huh?
So how'd it feel?
It felt awesome. I came to iFLY. It was great.
Nice. All right, Marlene, you did it. Your very own flight certificate. Woo, yay. Awesome job. Awesome job.
Thank you.
Okay, Marlene, so you just finished flying. Now let's get your pictures and videos. So we're going to go to the time that you arrived. We got pictures on the left, video on the right. It's pretty easy to use. You're going to search all or find all your pictures and videos here. These vouchers that you were given downstairs, treat these like coupons. You're going to redeem them right at the checkout screen. So all you got to do, you can just add it to the cart. Easy as that. And then you go from there, and it's all going to get sent electronically to you. So whatever email you put in there, that's where it's going to go.
Awesome.
Cool.
So we're finished up?
So now that we're finished up, we are ready to get our videos so we can relive the experience that we had today.
Yep, we can pull up your pictures right here. Pictures are on the left-hand side. You can see all the gems that we got just scrolling right through there. How do you feel about these pictures?
I love it.
Are they not your favorite pictures?
They are now?
Yeah. Yep, so we can pick all our pictures out. That's a good one right there. That's a really good one. When you're watching the videos, it just shows a sample clip. When it gets sent to you, that's when you're going to get the whole clip right there. So it's just like online shopping. You're going to add it to your cart. Then once that's all set up, you're going to go to the checkout screen right here. And we have our vouchers. We're going to treat these kind of like coupons. So it'll take away the payment amounts. Then you're just going to scan your wristband. Over on the side there. Okay. Yep, and so once it's through, it's going to enter the information that you put in downstairs. You're going to scan your voucher, and it'll take away the payment amounts of whatever you have. And anything extra, you can just slide it along right there. That's pretty awesome, pretty convenient.